What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. I've got an unboxing video for you guys today. This is something I'm really excited about. This is a Rovsun Bread Maker. I just got it from the company to unbox it and hopefully do some cool bread videos with. I had a bread maker many years ago and I absolutely loved it, and it's been a long time since I've had one. These are actually knead the bread and everything for you, so it's pretty much plug and play. Really nice piece of equipment to have in the kitchen if you love fresh baked bread. So without further ado, let's get to the unboxing. Alright, see if we can get this bad boy out. That was a piece of styrofoam there. Actually, try to get it from the side. Comes with a recipe book and like an instruction manual with a bunch more recipe in it. So this is the model number BM8205. I'll put a link in the description of the video. So if you guys are interested in ordering one, you can get yourself one. Really nice and sleek. It's like a brushed metal finish. Wow, really nice looking machine. If I can get a better view for you guys. Really nice looking, with some big buttons on the sides. It's got a digital display. It makes bread up to 2.5 pounds. Comes with this basket to make your bread loaf. Has a nice heating element inside so it can keep your bread warm, and also for the cooking process. You can see it down there. So nice digital display, nice big buttons. Seals like that, nice and flush. Really nice looking machine. And perfect for putting under the cabinet. It's not very tall, so that's a big plus. Take a look here. Also, this machine can be used for fermenting and making yogurt and many other recipes, not just bread. It's got a whole entire list here of things it could do. So it's got a bunch of numbers with the types of things that you can make. It says you can even make rice wine, yogurt, jam. You could do defrost, stir fry. You could ferment and bake. So you can ferment grains in here and then bake them. It's got basic bread number 1. So these are all the different presets that it has. I'm gonna go ahead and connect it. Let me put that basket in. It also comes with a nice little measuring cup. A measuring cup, measuring spoon, 2 sizes on it. I imagine this is some kind of key to take out the bread. Possibly, actually this is to take out the paddle, because when you put the ingredients in it, I'm gonna do a recipe video with this later on and show you guys exactly how it works. I just don't want to cram it all into one big long video. So this paddle will actually knead your bread for you. All you gotta do is put your water, your salt, your yeast, and the rest of your ingredients, and this paddle will knead inside. You don't have to do any kneading. And it will bake the bread, it will actually cook it. So when it's done cooking, you pull out your basket, and it's gonna have that paddle when you remove your bread. And what you do is, I believe with this little device, you pull that paddle out of your bread. I think that's what it's for. I could be wrong, but we'll see it in use when I do my next recipe video with this device. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and just kinda go through it really quick. So you put the basket in, and it kind of like locks into place. You spin it and it locks it. so it's secure. And then this little paddle goes in there. Pretty easy to put on. Go ahead and plug it. Wow, really, really nice digital display. Let me just go ahead and close that lid so I can give you guys a better view. Really nice digital display. It shows everything on there. Big buttons, like I said. So right now it says 1.5 pounds. You know, I guess that's for 1.5 pound loaf of bread. So we'll do, let's see, it says color, rice bread, weight, time, homemade, and the start button. So you can do different times. Okay, so these are the presets for making different types of bread. So it says number 1 is basic, number 2 is French. So you can go through the menu. Number 5 will be for making gluten-free bread. It's already got a preset on there. So you would follow this recipe booklet for gluten-free bread, and that's number 5. I'm gonna go ahead and read it and see what it says for gluten-free. I know a lot of you guys are interested in making gluten-free breads. Let me see, 5 gluten-free bread. So it says instant yeast, water, butter, salt, egg, sugar, gluten-free flour, corn powder, and that's it. So those are all the ingredients, and it tells you like different sizes for making, you know, 1 pound loaf, 2 pound loaf, or whatever size you want to make, which is really cool. So you'd go on here, you say I want to make gluten-free bread number 5. You put it in number 5 on here by hitting menu, and then you put those ingredients in, you shut it, and you just walk away, and it will do its thing, and it will cook the bread for you. So yeah, it's pretty great. It tells you all the steps. You pretty much, you know, don't have to do anything to the bread. So yeah, really, really cool machine. Very nice looking. It's light, not super heavy. Fit under any counter. Well put together, nice rounded edges. It looks like they really took some time in designing it. Look how beautiful that is. It's like a brushed gunmetal type of exterior. So it's really, really very nice. I like it a lot, and it closes nice and snug. Very nice. The Rovsun BMA 205 bread making machine. If you guys want to get yourself one, I'll provide the link below where you can order one. And that's about it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to subscribe, like, and share so we continue growing the channel. I'll be bringing you guys some really nice recipe videos with this machine. And hopefully you guys will enjoy them as much as I do. I know I love myself some fresh bread. See you really soon on the next one.